Today is going to be a little video on how to purchase a miner off of the secondary market. All you want to do is select whatever miner you want to purchase. This one looks nice. Nice little Bitcoin in the bottom. Click on that, scroll down, click buy miner, click next. It'll show you what's in your cart / bag, your receiving wallet. This can go to your virtual wallet, and because this is on the Binance chain, it'll only go to a BNB wallet. As you can see, I have two. I'm going to choose this one. And your payment method, you can choose with your virtual GoMining wallet or your GoMining on your MetaMask wallet. I'm going to go with my GoMining on my MetaMask wallet. Click pay, do Binance Smart Chain, and now to send it, you want to copy this address, go to your GoMining token in your MetaMask wallet, click on send, paste the address, and then the amount of GMT, which is going to be 73.79. Click continue, and as you can see, it's going to cost 11 cents. Click confirm, and I have it on my Trezor wallet, so I have to do a confirmation on there. And as you can see, your transaction was submitted and completed. And now we just wait for the transaction to go through. And as you can see, transaction completed. And just like that, your miner box is now in your wallet. You can even go and check your MetaMask in there, click on your NFTs, and you can see it right here. And if you don't see it, you can click on import NFT, put in the address and the token ID, and to find that, just click on your miner, click on metadata, and your smart contract is the address, and your token ID is the token ID. Just place those in here, click import, and you will see your miner. So now we'll buy a miner using our GMT that is in our virtual wallet. I think this one looks pretty nice. It's got a sticker on it. Scroll down, click buy miner, make sure it's in your bag, click next, your receiving wallet. I'm still going to receive this on my BNB chain wallet. Next, and the payment method, you're going to click virtual GoMining, then click pay, and right here, the following sum will be deducted from your virtual wallet, 72.09 GoMining. Click yes, and as you can see, it says reserve, so you just have to wait for the transaction to go through, and just like that, you have purchased a miner. Click view miner, and as you can see, I now have 3 miners, and the GoMining has been deducted from my virtual wallet. And when I open my MetaMask, as you can see, it is not here yet, so we'll click import NFT. So this is our miner, and if we open our MetaMask, we can see that it is not in here yet. So if we want to add it, just click on the metadata, and as you can see, this is the information. We're going to want to copy the address, open this back up, click import NFT, paste token ID. As you can see, it's covered up, but this is your token ID. Well, this is my token ID, so I'm going to click 146042, import. So both my miners have been imported, and both of them are on my Trezor wallet. And just like that, I have purchased these 2 miners that I will be giving away to 2 random members who are in the astro.club mining clan. It is also a requirement for you to be in the Discord as well to join the giveaway, as this is where the giveaways will be held. And if you've yet to sign up, my referral link will be in the description below. And happy mining, everyone.